Today we are studying percents, part 2.
We're going to start by writing decimals as percents. Here we have 925 one-thousandths. Let me go ahead and write that as a fraction, 925 one-thousandths. We know that percent means part of 100, or a ratio of 100. So what I want is a fraction equivalent to 925 one-thousandths that equals a number out of 100. So in order to get from 1,000 to 100, I would have to divide by 10. And I know if I divide my numerator by 10, or if I divide my denominator by 10, I also need to divide my numerator by 10. So that gives me 92.5 one-hundredths. Now that I have my ratio out of 100, I know that 92.5 one-hundredths is equal to 92.5%. Here's another example. Here we have 2.3, and we want to write that as a percent. Now you really need to make sure you're being careful, and in this case that 3 is in the tenths place. So what that says is 2.2 3/10, or 23 tenths. So if I wanted to take my 23 tenths and write that as an equivalent fraction out of 100, which is what percent means, in this case I would have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. 10 times 10 gets me 100, and 23 times 10 is going to get me 230. So 23 tenths is equal to 230 one-hundredths, and therefore 2.3 as a percent is actually 230%. You don't often think that percents are over 100, but they can be.